This is one of my most favorite ways to make the chicken in the air fryer, and I serve it with the rich creamy sauce. You can make it in the oven as well. I make it in the air fryer, so let me show you how I made it. So first I've taken two chicken quarters here. I've taken leg pieces and thigh. You can use chicken breast as well, and make some deep cuts in the chicken and then add the spices that are listed on the screen. Add some lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of oil. Coat the chicken very well to make sure that the marinade goes inside the meat. You can let it marinate as well, or you can just make it straight away. I've been asked this question many times, that how I cover my air fryer rack with the baking paper. So this is how I do it. All you have to do is to wrap the baking paper around the rack and put it back inside. Once that's done, place the chicken in the air fryer basket and then air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Flip the pieces after 20 minutes and then air fry for another 10 minutes. These are big pieces of chicken, they take time to cook. Then for the sauce, I've taken some oil and minced garlic. Fry the garlic until it's aromatic, don't burn it. Add the tomato paste and stir fry for a few seconds. Then add the paprika and heavy cream. You can use low fat or single cream here as well. I've just used heavy cream. I was not bothered about how heavy it is. And then add some chopped coriander. If you don't like coriander, add parsley. Cook the sauce for a minute or two on high heat and then pour it over the cooked chicken and enjoy.